It feels like we have been working on the definition of insanity for the last 6 years. And we've been doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. But now we got different results. That's right, we got them. I'm Curtis.
I'm Cody.
We're the Bell Brothers,
And we'd like to welcome you to Bell Brothers Brewing. We wanted to do something together, and we found that we were good at this, and I mean, who's better to work with than your best friend?
My best friend was in the same house forever. Always has been, you know? And that, I think, builds on Bell Brothers.
Both of us have a spark for making stuff. That's part of what led us into engineering in the first place. Like, I know how to make stuff. So we chose to open a brewery because we got into brewing and we were doing well with it. We liked what we were doing, and people were like, man, you make some bad beer. So we got better. Then we made some good beer, and people were like, man, you make some good beer. Where can I get this? And people were coming over to fill their growlers and all that other stuff, and we're like, maybe we should make a business out of this.
It all started 31 years ago when the first and best and perfect brother was born. And then my parents fucked up again.
So who's this person you're talking about? I've never met the perfect and best brother. So we got into brewing because he likes beer a lot. And at the time, I didn't drink much at all. I was busy with other stuff. And he decided he wanted to go take a home brewing class. And I said, no, I don't want to go to a home brewing class. I don't care about beer.
So then I dragged him with anyways, like I do all the other nutty projects that I've had since we were little kids. I think my job in the Bell Brothers Brewery is to make sure that the front of the house runs as smooth as possible with the right kind of backup from an engineering perspective or from an accounting perspective, a bookkeeping perspective. The brewery itself is located in downtown Colorado Springs, right in the heart of what I would consider heavy military, DOD, engineering. Like Colorado Springs is about this environment of these people, and we wanted to be in the center of that to give a community to a central hub of some really expertly engineered beers.
You know, we've got our stuff, we're getting the building, we're getting ready, but we need just that little bit more to put us over the edge.
And a part of that expertly engineered beer that we're looking to put in is to bring more engineering, more science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to our beers.
We really pride ourselves on putting a lot of effort into our process control and knowing what's going on. And precision monitors, the brew monitors, will really help us with that by giving us every 10 minutes, 7 different tests. I'm gonna wear a lot of hats, but the main one is brewmaster. My main job is to make sure that we make those excellently engineered beers on a regular basis. And as someone who does process control, data is king to making a good product. You can't know what you did wrong if you don't know what you did.
Engineering is a team game anymore. There is no such thing as one engineer that's just the know-it-all, the smartest guy in the room that's gonna beat it all up. You gotta have the tools, the data to make the difference.
That's where I think my skill set really came in, is I know about statistical process control and looking at the chemical reactions and how do you control the reactions and everything in your process to get a good final product.
This Kickstarter is going to enable us to have some of that really cool engineering gadgets. If you talk to any engineer, the tools that they have at their disposal is what makes them successful at engineering. So in the past, if you've talked to us, we've asked you for every $1 to give us another brick in this wall. Well, I got plenty of bricks here, so now we need some stainless steel in the basement and on that bar. So please give to our Kickstarter campaign and let Bell Brothers Brewing bring you this expertly engineered beer. Thank you for visiting Bell Brothers Brewing.
We hope to see you in the tap room soon.
Cheers.